Oh, she got ring cam back here. Oh, damn.
Ow, fucking
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content. Check this butt crack bandit out. She takes a tumble and gives up. Don't forget about your other delivery options, P.O. boxes, Amazon lockers, and pickup locations you can grab them from. Please make sure you keep those doors locked. You never know these people's intentions, and they're all most likely messed up on something.
Oh, sorry. I think I got the wrong house.
Yeah.
Sorry about
You
that.
definitely fucking. You should not before even going into
Yeah,
somebody's
sorry.
house in general.
No, my bad. It was an accident.
Okay, that's fine. You could just let me know what's going on.
Yes, I think this house is for rent.
I think so. Look at that whole thing up there.
I think this house is for rent.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm just trying to see if this house is for rent.
No, it's not.
Oh, okay. Well, nice house anyway.
All right, thank you.
Come on, baby. It's not for rent.
Consider getting a locked mailbox to protect your mail from these thieves, especially with tax season approaching.
What the fuck, man? Piece of shit.
Yo, get the fuck away from my house.
Yeah, I'm outside.
You're at the wrong house.
Okay. I'm sorry.
All right.
Can I help you with something?
It's just I'm sorry. Actually, do you have a lighter? I'm
No,
sorry,
I
I don't mean to
don't.
bug
And
you.
I don't know you, so you need to get off my porch.
Yeah, most definitely.
No trespassing.
I just wanted to pet you. I just wanted to pet the cat.
I don't care.
I don't care.
Go. Hey. Okay.
This kid comes onto this porch at 6 a.m. with a strange request.
I go to school. I wanted to know if I could leave my bike here so nobody won't steal it.
I wonder what's wrong with his house.
I go to school. I wanted to know if I could leave my bike here so nobody.
Don't forget to lock those bikes up or place them inside.
Hey, stop touching the bikes.
Put it right there.
Who is that?
Hey, get the fuck out of there. Leave that shit.
Get out of there! Right now!
Hello? Hello?
Hey! What? What's up?
Can I help you with something?
Charger? No.
Excuse me?
Please leave.
Make sure you keep those doors locked from these weirdos. It's 53 degrees out in Patterson. This guy's sweating bullets. I wonder why.
Get out of here! Go! Get out of here! Go away! Get out of here! Go! Get out of here! Bob! Get out of here!
Don't forget to double check those car doors before you go in. Also, try not to leave any personal information or valuables in your vehicle, just in case.
Leave. Get out of there. Get out.
Oh, she got ring cam back here. Oh, damn. I know you got a ring cam back here. The new that owned it, hoe.
I forgot to clip it, but the owner
Oh,
said that
damn,
this
no.
guy broke into her house.
Fuck, I got another truck.
See,
Check this
look,
junkie out.
don't call me no more, nigga. Nigga, probably not. Or lucky job. Foot them with that. Bet them with the probably God, nigga. Foot the picture. Pop, pop. Wow, fucking that. Let's just keep it. That's weird. And she think I like shocked to get
This guy and the last guy must hang out together. I'm convinced.
Right, man, Vincent. I think my spirits found me, bro. I don't know, bro. It's crazy, bro. It's just fucking making Vincent spin around, doing shit in my hands and shit. Dude, what the fuck, bro? It's crazy. What's happening?
Hey, we calling the police. Police on their way. Police on their way up.
Really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Please be safe out there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Can I help you?
How you doing? Come in, please.
Why do you
Try to lock up those scooters and bikes, or try to bring them inside. Basically, giving these people an early gift, Christmas gift.
God damn it. Natalie!
Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.